What's up, guys? Today we are going to be working on a Lowrider S 2021. This bike right over here. Nice bike. We're gonna be turning this into a ST. I mean, still a 114. The ST is a 117, but what we're doing a full front fairing and ST hard bags on the bag. We got the bags right over here from this company, Viking bags. They look exactly like the ST bags. It's just smaller, low profile. And if you're looking right over here, I already did the pre-drilling because it was a mess, and I couldn't make a video of that. It's really bad at it. And right over here, as you can see, is the Lowrider ST fairing by advanblack. Really good company. They are on every platform of social media. They are quick to respond, very good pricing. They gave me a really good deal on Black Friday, very quick on shipping. We have our tools right over here, and we are ready to rumble. So first thing we're gonna do is basically hook up these bags really quick. And just like I said, you get these bags not pre-drilled from the back. So what you want to do is, all right, let's actually, before we start, go. I was gonna keep flickering like that until you fix that. So grab your bags. And you want to put it in the right position right over here. So what you want to do is you want to keep the end of it with the end of your tail rear fender, and you don't want it too high, you don't want it too low. You want it to be covering the tip of your fender as well. So I mean, it's all, again, it depends on what you like and what you want to do. So but for me, that's what I did. And because I have a sissy bar that clamps on, this is the original sissy bar by Harley Davidson. I'm gonna need the longer screws with the spacers, like these ones, and these spacers goes from the inside, and then these ones goes on the outside. I made the holes a little bit smaller so I can do this. And I'm putting the screws, I like that better. Gives me a little bit more. This goes in here, and we're gonna do the other side as well. The smaller rear ones. Oops. So I'm gonna need you can use just with your hand, and I do recommend just doing it with your hand. That's the other button. right, so just close it and it's in place. Really easy, really simple. It just, the drilling part is the hard part, the hardest part basically. And now we're gonna put the other side. Same thing, same concept. Same thing right over here. All right, so this is all set right now. As you can see, both sides are on, and we can put our sissy bar on with no problem. Let's go there. It's in place. Again, you might wonder, what is this? This is my selfie stick that goes on the back with the GoPro that I have on my chest. It goes something like this. I don't have to extend it that much. I usually extend it up to here, I think. That's all I do, and that's how I get my videos. And I go with these just because it's easier and better to lock them in place when they're extended, because most of the other sticks, they just fall down gradually. This is not even a selfie stick. This is a camera mount for hiking. So it looks like a hiking stick. It has a pointy end right over here that can be replaceable, and it have a female thread right over here, not a male thread. So I did some modification on it. If you guys want to know exactly what I did with it, let me know. I'll do a video on it. But now to the big part. Yes, again, the ST bags are done. They need just a little bit of a wipe down. They look amazing. I like the way they look.